Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Charmmy Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off on the top right and let's draw the bow. Let's start with a small curve on an angle. Then from both ends, let's angle it down and close it off at the bottom to form a rectangle. Now top up, and on the top corners, let's draw a curve up and bring it down underneath. And the same thing down and back in underneath. Now inside on the left, let's draw two small curves coming from the center and one on the right side. Now let's add the pieces of ribbon coming down underneath. On the left, let's draw a curve out and another curve under. And the same on the right side. Now let's close off the ends by angling it in and back out. Now that we have the shape of the bow, let's draw the bumpy scallop pattern all the way around. Let's start on top and let's draw bumps all the way around each side of the bow. And the same thing around the bottom pieces. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve over. And then for the ear, let's draw a long wavy line up and curve it down at the end. And let's do the same thing on the right side next to the bow, but make it shorter like this. Now from both ends, let's draw a curve up and down, a small curve up, curve it down on the left, and then for the right, let's bring it down to the bow. Now on the left, let's step up and let's draw a curve down and flick it out at the end. And then on the right under the bow, let's draw a small curve out. And let's try to keep them at the same level. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in. Now on both sides, let's add another curved piece out and down. Now let's add a small curve going downwards. And then let's add a curve in, meeting at the center. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two ovals for the eyes. And then let's add a small oval inside at the top on the left. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And lastly, for the head, let's hop out and let's draw 3 curves out on both sides for the whiskers. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve out and then curve it back in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop in and at the top let's draw the necklace. Let's draw small circles all the way across, dipping it down and back up. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a curve up and back down, and a curve underneath. Now let's add 2 small black ovals inside. Now in the center, let's draw 2 small lines down and close it off to form a rectangle. Now let's add 2 lines out at the bottom on the right and close it off. And 1 more line across in the center. And that's it for the necklace. Now underneath, let's add some fur. Let's start with a curve down and up, another one next to it, and a longer piece over to the right. And 2 more up on the right side. Now let's hop down and let's draw the first set of legs. Let's draw a line down in the middle. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out and bring it up on both sides. And then at the top, let's draw a curved piece up and 1 more on top. And that's it for the front legs. Now for the back feet, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a curve out and back in on both sides like this. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. Now let's add another curve up on top, a wavy line in, a small curve up, and back into the leg. And that's it for Charmmy Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!